Ola, I go by the name of J Real. For those who didn't know, to keep it short and sweet, let's get right into it. Today is not my usual, venting and vibing with you. So I just have a little video of nature and this stuff that I got in my backyard. I got in my backyard, hanging from a dead leaf. What do you think that is? Hope you'll enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yes, and don't forget to check my second YouTube channel. I've dropped a recent project, so y'all can check it out as well. Well, guys, on that note, until then, I say stay blessed, peace, and later.